called You're My First. It's a 32 count easy intermediate level dance, and it goes like this. Side, behind, stomp right, left, moving back, right sailor, left sailor. Step behind to the side, turn to your right diagonal and rock forward, back, back, forward. Step pivot hard, and then now facing the left diagonal at the back wall. Shuffle forward, right, left, right, side rock, recover. To the other diagonal, shuffle forward, left, right, left, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, right, left, right, step to the side, stop, side, stop, side, stop. That's it. Here's wall 2. 2, 3, 4. Side, behind, stop, right, left, sailor, left sailor. Step behind to the side and rock. 2, 3, 4, step, pivot, half, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, rock, recover, cross shuffle, and side stomp, side stomp, side stomp. That's it. Easy as, no tags or restarts in this dance, and I hope you enjoy it.